Hey, it's Anna. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about QuickFitWL. It's an anti-cellulite gel. To be honest, I've already been using this all week. As it says on here, apply when exercising, doing recreational activities, or even going for long walks for best results. I personally have been wearing mine every single morning when I'm doing yoga and also around the house when I'm vlogging and doing my office stuff. So have I seen a result yet? Yes, absolutely. I'm not able to show certain places, but I definitely have seen a result in my stomach area. So as for my first impression of this, when I first opened it, I thought it smelled like Vicks Vapor Rub. Yeah, like it definitely has a strong scent of peppermint, and it definitely also looks like Vapor Rub. But the thickness is not the same as Vapor Rub, because clearly that's not what it is. This is more liquidy, and then you just apply it in circular motion in the areas that you'd like to get rid of cellulite. So I've been using it on my stomach, I've been using it on my thighs and my butt, and then this also actually comes with a belt for your stomach. And this is what that looks like. I got mine in a size medium. And no lie, it actually gets really hot when you put it on, but I actually like feeling that. I know it's been very hot here in New York lately, but it actually does help me sweat off extra, weight or whatever, or extra water weight. And I don't know, I just like it. I really like that I'm able to do it versatile. Because I remember the first time I tried something like this, I actually used Vapor Rub, and then I wrapped myself up in cling wrap, and I was doing this back in like 2013. So to find out that there are actually companies that are doing this out there, I thought it was really interesting and wanted to try it out.